Today I want to walk you through how to export your Brightspace gradebook as a spreadsheet file that you can then manipulate in your Excel program or other spreadsheet program, and then save those changes and import them back into your Brightspace gradebook. The first thing you want to do is click on Assessments, get into your gradebook, and make sure you're in the Enter Grades area if that's not set to default. Then you want to export. Go ahead and choose the options that you would like to see in the spreadsheet, and then select all of the columns that you wish to export as well. If you'd like to select them all, you can click this checkbox right here. Then you want to export to CSV. If you export to Excel, which you can do, you'll need to import it as a CSV anyways, and then you'll need to convert and save as. If you want to skip that hassle, just export to CSV to begin with. It will process. Once it's completed its processing, you can download the file. We're going to go ahead and save it rather than open it directly. We'll put it to the desktop. Once it's downloaded, we can close that window and then click Cancel. We're going to go ahead and open up the spreadsheet. So here's my gradebook in spreadsheet format, and then I can enter grades very easily, either for all the students or across the board for a single student. So on and so forth. Once you've added all of the grades that you'd like, save the file. It will prompt you to make sure that you want to save it as a CSV because Excel really likes to save it as an XLSX file. So go ahead and say yes. Close down your software. I'll go ahead and save it a second time just to be on the safe side, but you don't have to do that because we already saved it. Then to import our spreadsheet, we click on Import and then Browse, find our CSV file. If you've created new columns in your spreadsheet, go ahead and check this box, and that should bring those new columns in during the import process. Click Continue. Once it processes, it will update the gradebook. No errors were found. Go ahead and click Continue, and then it will show you all the grades that were imported. Once it processes, imported successfully. There it is. And then if we scroll down, we can see that all of the grades we entered for our SAM training are now displayed, and all of the grades that we entered for Gale now display. So that's how you export, manipulate a gradebook in Excel, and then import that back into Brightspace. Hope you guys find that helpful. If you have any questions about this process, please give us a call here in the CTL, and we'll do our best to walk you through it.